Hi, I'm Gervonta, and you're eating. This is Calm TV.
Come on down to Calm Art Gallery, where we're having a showing of Inherited Moments by Chris Ireland and H. Jennings, Sheffield. It'll be going through October 29th. Shh.
On October 8th, we'll be having a duck bingo at 12:30 in the LRC Breezeway. Free lunch will be provided and a chance to win prizes. So grab yourself a duck and let's go.
Please do not actually grab a duck.
Wednesday at 2 p.m. at the Calm Track, we'll be having our student recreation foot golf.
What?
Foot golf.
Don't you mean football?
It's golf with your feet.
Student Life continues their leadership series this Thursday at 12:30 in the Conference Center. The leadership series strives to support and transform students into the leaders of tomorrow.
Hey, you're facing the wrong way.
Everybody's a critic.
Thursday, 12:30 p.m., TVB 1220, we'll be having a FAFSA Workshop. Get assistance completing the FAFSA. Come get your money. Come get your money. p.m. at the golf at the Calm Track.
We were so close!
Because that's the part gets tricky.
Feel free to call him non-major. He loves that nickname.
Hey, non-major.
We'll blur his face out for every day.
Great idea.
Yeah.
No.
You made it feel good.